Hello and welcome to Ginger Toast. Today I am making a vanilla cake. Most of the people try out a basic vanilla cake when they start baking. So this is a perfect recipe for beginners and no difficult tricks involved in this. This cake is light, airy, soft and easy to make. It's always satisfying to see a cake turn out perfect, and this is one of those perfect cakes. So let's get started. I have taken a 7-inch pan. First of all, I am going to line the pan with a baking sheet. A small piece of baking sheet or butter paper at the bottom of the pan is enough if it is a non-stick pan. If you are using an aluminium pan, line the sides as well. Then it will be easy to unmold the cake. Apply some oil or butter on the pan and keep the butter paper inside. Brush oil on the butter paper as well. Baking pan is ready. Keep it aside. Now we will take the dry ingredients. Measure 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Do not take heaped cups or spoons. Always level them and add. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and sieve this. This will help to mix all the dry ingredients well. Keep this aside. In another bowl, I am taking 3/4 cup of sugar. You can powder this and add, then it will be more easier to combine well with other ingredients. To this add 1/3 cup of oil and blend with a hand mixer. The sugar that I have added is very fine and I am using a hand mixer, hence I didn't powder it. But if you are using a hand whisk, powder the sugar and then add. I am adding 2 eggs into this. Eggs should be at room temperature. Do not add eggs taken directly from the refrigerator. Add the first egg, beat it for 20 seconds. Then add the second one and beat again. Scrape the sides in between. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we will add the flour mixture and milk to the wet ingredients and slowly fold in. 3 additions of flour and 2 additions of milk. I have taken 1/3 cup of milk. We don't need a hand mixer now. Take a spatula to combine. An important thing to remember while baking is that all the ingredients should be at room temperature, whether it is eggs, milk, baking powder or baking soda. Mix the ingredients in the same direction and do not overmix the batter. While I am making the batter, I have kept my oven to preheat at 180 degrees Celsius. My batter is ready. We will pour this to the prepared cake tin. Tap to remove air bubbles. Reduce the oven temperature to 170 degrees. Keep the pan in a rack slightly lower than the center of the oven. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Every oven is different, so the baking time may vary. Mine took 40 minutes. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before you remove to a plate or wire rack. The cake is baked well and it's soft and fluffy. You can eat it just like that or apply some fruit jam onto the pieces and serve. It's simple and delicious. Enjoy! Hope you like the recipe. Please try it out and give your feedback. If you enjoy my videos, please like, comment and subscribe to Ginger Toast. We'll come back with another video. Till then, bye!